I think we all have a story about this, about a moment in our lives when we tried to change the external, hoping that it would change something within. You know, I do, for sure. I mean, I remember growing up in a home literally with gunshot holes on the outside of my house. And when you grow up in that kind of environment, and I was hiding in the closet and dealing with domestic violence in my home, when you grow up in that kind of environment, you learn to adapt. And my adaptation was one that I think a lot of us relate to, which was becoming a chronic overachiever, thinking that if I just do enough, then I will finally be enough. If I just succeed enough, then I will finally get myself out of this situation and then I'll finally be happy. And so I did all the doing, and I think so many of us are guilty of this. When I was younger, I say I was the top of the top of whatever box there was to check. I checked it. I graduated the top of my class, got a full ride academic scholarship to go to UCLA. I get to LA, I come out of the closet. I have more money than I ever had because when you grow up in the hood, you get a lot of scholarship money. And I was spending my scholarship money on like True Religion jeans and stuff like that when that was a thing to do. And I'm saying all of this because I had this awakening, this dark night of the soul that I think so many of us reach in our lives, where I was 19 years old. I think I hit it a little earlier than some of us do. And I was sitting on the floor in my dorm room at Dykstra Hall in UCLA. And I look in the mirror and I said, how is it that I've done everything? I've checked every box that there is to check, and somehow I'm still miserable. Why am I still miserable? This is not what I bargained for. And I think so many of us have these moments in our lives. We try to change the external. We try to change our job or change where we live or change our hair or change whatever it is, hoping that it's going to change something within. But that never fully works. You know, this quote from my book feels really relevant right here. It says, our old programming often originates from trauma in our early lives. And although those traumas and situations are usually non-existent in our current reality, we've internalized the hateful voices and learned to rerun an outdated script that was never really ours to begin with. And so today, we are updating the program. We are updating the program throughout this entire summit that we're doing together. This is our moment to take back the reins of our lives, to step into the fullness and the truth of who you know you were meant to be, to not let our stories define us, but to let our stories empower us into the next level of our own becoming.